A lot of debate exists among the present-day sources about the history and construction of the Nurpur Fort, formerly known as the Dhameri Fort. While some sources claim that the fort was constructed in the 10th century, with the addition of the Brijraj Swami temple to the western front in the 16th century, other sources insist that the fort was first built in the 15th century and, about 100 years after its construction, it fell into the Mughal hands. Regardless of this, the fort is attributed to the Pathania Rajputs, who trace their descent from the Tomars. Thus, for a significant part in the early medieval times, the Nurpur Fort was the seat of power and the capital of the ruling family of the Pathanias. It was situated in close proximity to the forts of Mau, Taragarh and Kotla. The Nurpur state stood on the left bank of the Ravi river, flanked by the Chamba state in the north, the states of Guler and Kangra to the east, and the Punjab plains to the south. The modern-day Nurpur is a town in the Kangra district in Himachal Pradesh. Originally known as Dhameri, it was named Nurpur supposedly during the visit of Empress Noor Jahan and the Mughal Emperor Jahangir, possibly due to the close connection of the Pathania rulers with the Mughal court. This political association also influenced the Pahadi art and the subsequent murals at the Thakurdwara temple within the fort. At present, the site cannot be conserved because it's partially owned by a private family. As a result, a lot of conservation measures cannot be taken by any authority without the consent of the original owners. Also, the site faces deterioration threats due to climatic conditions of the area. Significant among these is the annual rainfall that the area receives. The valley of Kangra receives an annual heavy precipitation between July to September. The heaviest rainfall is on the lower slopes of Dhauladhar, which is where Nurpur is located. The area is also known for its perennial snowscape. The climate of the district varies from subtropical to subhumid. The winter lasts till February, starting from the month of December, and summer usually extends from March to June, when the temperature might reach up to 40 degrees Celsius during the months of May to June. The Kangra region also lies in the BIS seismic zonation map between zones 4 and 5. The area is about 98.6% susceptible to face earthquakes of severe destruction. One of these happened in 1905, which led to the collapse and demolition of many structures, including the Nurpur Fort. The destruction was so widespread and all-encompassing that these structures could never be resurrected or restored to their former glory. Sadly, environmental damage, compounded by the climatic conditions, now adds to the deterioration of the Nurpur Fort